Welcome, today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget, and after that just hold for a while the screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap here once and now we can see all the available applications with the widgets which we can add. For example, we can add the clock. Here we can see two different types of clock, or also for example the Google Chrome application or the calendar. Here we can add the regular calendar or just calendar schedule. So just to add it, just hold widget and drag it to the position where you want to add it. For example, here if you want to resize the widget, just hold it for a while and after that make it bigger or smaller by this way. If you want to move the widgets on the screen, here just hold it and drag, and also you can move widgets between the screens just by the same way. Also, if you want to create a new one, just hold it and also drag it to this new screen. If you want to remove the widgets, just hold it and drag it to the remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.